Hi everyone, it's me, Madam Pamita, with another question from the Live Magic Q&A Tea Party. This clip was from a past tea party, and it's an amazing question. I bet you have an amazing question too. If you do, why don't you join me? Go to spellsquad.com, sign up, and you'll get the link to join me live over Zoom and ask your question. Not only that, but you'll get some other goodies, including a coupon for the Parlour of Wonders. Oh my goodness. So go to spellsquad.com, sign up, and join me. I'd love to see you there. And now for our question. Hello, Madam Pamita. I'd like to know what would be the ways to attract the spirits during a spell, except not using incense. I'm guessing that's what your question is, except you don't want to use incense. So there's a thing called smokeless incense. This is great. So if you have someone in your home that you or someone else in your home can't tolerate smoke, you have asthma, or, they're sick with some kind of thing in their lungs, or their lungs are tender in some way, and you can't tolerate smoke, that doesn't mean that you can't use the same essence of smoke. So smoke, when we burn incense, we are scenting the room with a burnable thing, but we can scent the room in other ways. Not what I call smokeless incense is to take a spray bottle you can pick up at my shop, glass ones, or you can pick up one at the drugstore, just a little spritzy atomizer spray bottle, right? You get that spray bottle, you add spring water to it, and then you add 10 or 20 drops of one of the spiritual oils that we have at the shop. You shake that up and you spray it around the room, and that is a smokeless incense. It will not hurt your lungs. It doesn't have smoke that's going to irritate your lungs, right? So get your favorite oil, spiritual oil, get a spray bottle, add some spring water, add that and shake it up, and you've got a smokeless incense. If you can't tolerate scent, some people can't tolerate scent at all. They can't tolerate anything, even essential oils. Then what you can do is put salt water. If you want to do a cleansing spray, do salt water in that spray bottle and spray it around the room. It won't have the same effect, but it will cleanse and prepare the room if you're working with spirits. So that's a good way. You could also create another way that wouldn't be heavily scented, is to make one of the potions at the Parlour of Wonders and then put it in the bottle and spray it around the room. Just make sure that whenever you spray anything, that you're not spraying it on cloth, because those little droplets of oil, or perhaps if you're making a potion or something like that, will get on the cloth and might stain it. So just spray it into the air. Don't spray it onto the curtains or the couch or anything like that. Okay.